Hey guys, I'm Levi Perez. This is episode 17 of Ride Along, and I'm here with co-host
Gavin in the halls.
And today we're going to be doing a collab between Gavin of the Halls and Ride Along. We're going to be going around asking people questions. Mine are going to be about sports. Gavin's are going to be about Gavin's questions. So let's get into it. Who am I here with today?
Isaiah Amada.
And Isaiah, what has been your favorite sports memory and why?
Last year, JV year, being CC to go 9-0.
And what about that game stands out to you?
It was a hard-fought game, and just winning it felt amazing, just to beat them.
Thank you.
Who am I here with today?
Coach Hyatt.
What's your favorite HOCO moment?
As a student at MHS, the float building was the best. We would get together, we would, build the floats, and as freshmen, we would always wait for the older class to come to the party we were at and destroy the floats, and it happened. Seniors came, destroyed our pirate float, but as seniors, we would return the favor. We'd go find those little kids and we'd go thrash their floats. It was cool back then. Too many rules these days.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Who am I here with today?
Noah Alejandro.
And Noah, what has been your favorite sports memory in your entire life?
My favorite sports memory in my entire life was when we played Kimball away, my JV year, got a pick, and then I seen the whole D lineman start dancing all over the team. It was crazy. It was crazy.
Thank you.
Who am I here with today?
Cameron Spina.
What's the capital of Nevada?
I don't know.
You got to guess. Throw out names.
Las Vegas.
Nope. Guess again.
Shit, I don't know.
Who am I here with today?
My name's Raymond.
What's the capital of Nevada?
California.
Nope. Guess again.
United States.
What's the capital of Nevada?
Reno.
No.
What? What is it?
You want to keep guessing?
No, I'm dead.
Carson City. Thank you.
Who am I here with today?
Harp.
And Harp, what has been your favorite sports memory and why?
It's probably last year during playoffs, the first round against Antelope, just being there with all my teammates, making all those great memories and stuff. It was just an amazing experience.
It wasn't airballing a free throw this past Sunday in AAU?
No, because that never happened. But this Sunday, I did go off, dominating, grabbing every rebound.
Harp had no boards and airball a free throw. But thank you, Harp.
But he's lying.
Who am I here with today?
Antonio Fraley.
And Antonio, what has been your favorite sports memory and why?
My favorite sports memory is probably when we beat Western Ranch in the tournament here last year.
And what about that memory stands out to you?
They were one of the best teams in our tournament, and then everybody was saying we couldn't beat them, so we had to step up and beat them. And I think we beat them by 20. And I was in the newspaper that game. I think I had like 10. No, I had 13 points that game.
All right, thank you. Who am I here with today?
My name is Joe Habibi.
And Joey, what are you looking forward to the most going into the game against Sierra this week?
I'm just looking for my get back. CRK this week.
Thank you. Who am I here with today? And what has been your favorite sports memory and why? An answer from a coach perspective and a player perspective.
Man, from a coach perspective, there's a lot of them recently, but I got to say, winning that first section title 2017 with Gino in their class, we were huge underdogs. Everybody picked against us. Every single person picked against us. Found a way to get it done, and that was a start for me, and it's been good times ever since.
Mm-hmm. And what about with you having the pads on and being a player?
We're going to go all the way back to 1996. We were playing Puyallup. Go ahead and try to spell that. The Herod brothers, they all win the NFL. Their younger brother was on the team. Again, we were 3-4 score underdogs. Nobody has a chance. Went to their place and beat the hell out of them in the playoffs. So that's probably the top.
How was your play in that game?
It was freaking ice cold. I'm from Washington. It was literally like single-digit temperatures, and I just was trying to damage and punish people as much as possible because you could tell, man, every time you hit somebody, it hurt, and I had a good time hitting people.
So, what's the capital of Nevada?
Carson City.
Correct. Dang.
Spent some time in Nevada.
Ooh. Who am I here with today?
Isaiah.
What's your most unpopular opinion?
I love this one. The Raiders suck.
Wow. Who am I here with today?
Mr. Burns.
What's your biggest red flag in a student?
I got a few. So definitely students that lie, even little white lies, right? Poor decision making, and students that want to bring their bathroom activities into class.
That's perfect. Thank you.
And Burns, what has been your favorite sports memory as a coach and as a player?
As a coach, I think definitely most recently, like making the playoffs with the boys soccer team here at Manteca High, beating Sierra 3-2 at home was exciting, man. Like that was easily one of the highlights of my coaching career. I've won a lot of trophies, a lot of championships, but to see a team like that beat a rival for the first time in a long time and make the playoffs was huge.
And what about during your playing days?
Playing days, I would say, man, I was like, one of my best moments is stepping to the line, penalty shootout, championship game. I think I'm all of 19 years old. We're playing a team from LA that has flown in players from across the world. The field is lined with players. Again, being all of like 18 years old, stepping to the line with a chance to win a trophy and making the PK, it was kind of like an outer body experience.
And you guys won the game?
We did, yeah, trophy. Celebrated all night long.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
Coach Dub.
And Coach, what has been your favorite sports memory as a coach and as a player?
As a player, I'd probably have to go back to my senior year in college when I was named honorable mention All-American.
And what about as a coach?
And as a coach, I think it was getting my 9th section championship ring here at Manteca High, the only one that has all 9.
Thank you. All right, guys, this has been episode 17 of Ride Along. This has been Gavin in the Halls, and we are out.